The brand is from Parker Davis HVAC International and the units are sold wholesale direct to the consumer. The units are made in Asia and feature refrigerant leak detection but only have standard air filters which do not do much to keep the unit clean or to help the home's indoor air quality. The units have coated coils for corrosion resistance and baked enamel paint on the outdoor units for durability. They use demand defrost which saves energy but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The YN Series Inverter Plus and Inverter Plus models are available in either 115-volt or 208/230-volt systems and have efficiencies up to 22 SEER. The YN Series offers premium multi-zone heat pumps that can serve up to 5 indoor units with a 21 SEER efficiency. All of the units are available through many online sites including Walmart and Amazon, but the guarantee may differ from place to place. To receive warranty parts, the unit must be diagnosed and documented by a professional contractor.